Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now comes the next part for the people who wants to use the wireframes tab. Again, head over to this post right here, scroll down a little, you will come across the wireframes section, right? You will again come across the connection URL and the connection access key. The process is exactly the same. I'll do separate articles on these as well. So make sure if you're finding the video helpful, you subscribe to the channel so that you get notified. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to copy this connection URL right here. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click add here and I am going to add this connection URL here. In the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this access key right here and I'm going to paste it right here. In the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click add connection and it adds the wireframe section right here. And you can see, right, you will get access to all of the wireframes. Let's head over to the old Kadence Design Library, click wireframes right here. Okay, so remember this, what I have done here is I have subscribed to their email list to get access to wireframes. If this is the case with the new Kadence Design Library as well, then you will have to subscribe and it will give you instantly access to the wireframes tab in the Kadence Design Library. As you saw here, it gives you the instant access, right? So all of the sections are back, all of the categories are right here, and you can see all of the categories are right here. So content, promotional card, pricing table, footer, gallery, portfolio, testimonial, countdown, and form. And you will see all of these here as well. Right now, to use these wireframes, again, all you have to do is just simply click and it will insert, and then you will have to make changes as per your requirements. A lot of people like the Kadence wireframes, and that is why we did those articles on the Kadence wireframes and how to add the old sections, because some of the designs were good and people were using them. So in case you want to use them, again, now you have a small tutorial with you. I will release a video on these topics as well.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.